Back up real quick. Yeah, we ready. You say it, fool. Honey.
What's the deal, YouTube, man? It's no talk about social. You know what I'm saying?
7400 shit, bitch.
What's up, birthdays?
Hey, come slide,
Hey, look.
man. Come on.
Come here, bro.
We can show you around when everybody was bored and shit. Everybody was bored, man, on the roof. You know what I'm saying? We can't, you know what I'm saying? Look, come here. Look, bro, look. Over here, bro. Look,
Hey,
bro.
Hey, do y'all homework, gang. Do y'all homework.
Can't say too much.
Go pick up them flowers. That boy died at Little Jeff right here.
Hey, over there, bro. Over there.
Alright, let me say something. Alright, look, fuck flowers. Fuck
flowers, diamonds, swabs, crabs, snaps, all that.
Fuck all them niggas. All that nigga.
You be up on every score, up on every score and all that. Up on every score and all
I
that.
don't promote the violence. Whatever they saying, they just tapping. I don't promote that shit, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm just a kid.
Protecting the community.
Stop lying ass up.
I'm not lying,
No, where you
bro. I'm literally not
You've
lying.
never been this kind ever in this life.
I've never been in the car.
Nigga,
Okay.
he seen a little
He
kid
wears
slap
ghost
him.
face mask when he creeps up on people.
Yo, what the fuck?
Listen. Hey, this violent stuff, I don't need to do it, bro. I'm a good kid.
Alright, can I get a
What?
thumbs up?
Who the fuck is I
Bro,
gonna
you got
go?
any questions?
Everybody
Whoa,
else.
whoa,
You need to ask some questions.
Yo, you gotta ask some questions. Hey, look, ask us some questions.
Alright, we're gonna walk around. Let's
Alright, bet, come here.
Alright, bet. Come on,
Where y'all
Big
going?
Ummy's funny.
bro. Hey, who that?
Calm down.
I'm down, we good.
Look.
Hey.
That's a three.
I'm glad y'all paranoid, bro. Y'all laying up on the
It's a 3 man.
Alright, so
You know you
look.
paranoid.
Hey, I remember y'all like
Hey, look,
this
Jack.
y'all just moved
Nigga.
here. Like,
Yeah.
how do you
Yeah.
Oh, we really active though. We really active. We really active.
How do it feel moving out here?
Bro, it feel great, man. Niggas don't want to fuck with us, bro. You know that.
Look.
Look, we could just walk comfortably, like, there's really nothing going on. You know, the locals having fun for themselves. But at nighttime though, it do get wicked.
Hey, look, hold on. Be on homework, I was just happy to leave.
I'm saying,
Don't
don't say too much though. Don't say too much.
On the left right here, do your homework.
Hey, hold up, calm down. Wait,
Hey, that burger shop, right here, cameraman. Damn good, do your
But look
homework.
though, at the burger shop, this why like,
Yeah,
almost
burger
forgot
shop.
something.
Hey, the flowers you don't know about that burger shop.
No, change my clothes, buy my clothes over there.
Yeah, this area looks pretty nice. Like, sure y'all feel happy about
Take it to the Willie.
You talking about
Really,
look,
no.
I don't feel happy again. It's shit.
This shit get wicked,
It looks
nigga.
good.
Hey, y'all trying to take him to the liquor store?
Yeah, this nigga just lives here.
Yeah.
Oh, on that
On that
liquor.
bitch. On that bitch.
Hey, come
On
here,
that
Jack. Dude, come here, look, Jack, look, man.
Hey, like,
What's our
go to home and stay on this street, like.
Hey, cameraman, send it back to us, fool.
Send it back to us, bro.
Yeah, cameraman, send it back to us.
Yeah, we looking on that corner though.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, certified Hoover though. Yeah, nigga. Baby bullet though.
Shit, bitch. I wanna say it,
White
bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Later,
Boy.
nigga later though. Nigga later.
bro.
I'm not gonna lie, look, you know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it is.
Hoover, nigga.
You know what it is.
Hey, yeah.
I got pipes over here. We all got pipes over here.
Hey, have y'all ever
We walk.
Hey, look. Wait,
crab
hey,
cake,
Jack,
all
hey, Phil,
that.
hit us over.
Crab cake, nigga, mob
Hey,
cake.
look, come on,
Fuck the
follow
mob,
us,
nigga.
follow us.
Let's go walk.
Let's shoot to the mob, nigga. Fuck that.
Yeah, fuck.
Let's shoot to the mob.
They move.
Don't live over there, fool. Where? So good.
Yo, look, Jack, look, bro. Look. That liquor store right there. All of us right there, nigga. That's alright right there, bro. Hey, look, hey.
Come to this liquor store.
Right
Come
there.
to this
Oh
liquor
yeah,
store.
that's the special right there.
That's the special.
Meal.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Right
This is
here.
outside.
Yo, cameraman.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, chill, bro.
Yeah,
It's
right
shit,
here.
it's bad, and it's good, good.
Cameras.
Yeah, it's definitely cameras.
Bro, this nigga BK droning.
Got a mask on, man.
Hey, you see what goes on here, fool. Hey, shout out to my homegirl right here. She got started with the bottles and all that.
Yeah.
Hey, abuela, hey, tell them about this store right here, abuela.
Bro.
They always buy burrito.
No, I don't
Hey, she always get us right with burritos and all that.
everything here.
I buy burritos up in here, you know? And that's my great grandma right here.
Hey, this is where I get my loose leash at too. Hey, hold up, watch it.
You know you gotta eat good, so you know.
Eat good every day, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, man, got
Alright, so I
$5.
got a trick
Fuck
question for y'all.
flowers.
Yeah, what's that?
Look. Is a hot dog called a sandwich or is it just a hot dog?
Hot dog.
It's a
That
hot
shit a
dog.
hot dog, nigga.
Hot
What
dog.
the
Look,
fuck?
man.
That
Hey, look,
looks
hey, look,
crazy.
flowers. Hey, look, fuck flowers, don't say it, fuck flowers.
Fuck force, nigga,
We
fuck
don't lose no
flowers.
flowers.
There you go.
Look, can I get a thumbnail? Can I get a thumbnail of y'all?
Oh yeah, thumbnail, ready. Everybody upload.
Hey, I don't even got blower, nigga.
Yeah, it's good. There's a camera right here on top of us.
Hello, yo,
You gotta end it up here, man. I got hit.
Let's go.
Good cameraman. Straight goofy, straight belt. What the fuck? You got hit. These two shoot. Oh, wait. Look, man. Look. Hey, you good?
Help! Help, officer! I hit, officer.
I'm gonna place you in cuffs just for a second until I clear the scene, okay?